Introduction to clinical trials. Clinical trials are scientific studies that are specifically designed to test the safety, efficacy, and tolerability of new drugs, medical devices, and any other interventions. Clinical trials are performed before they are approved to use in the general population. Clinical trials are typically conducted in various phases. Each phase is performed to answer different research questions and to provide information on the interventions that are being tested. Generally, clinical trials are conducted by recruiting human participants who meet the eligibility criteria, specifically called inclusion and exclusion criteria. The participants are provided with the intervention that is being tested, or the control group receives a placebo or any other standard treatment. The participants are very closely monitored during the trial, and the data is collected on outcomes such as safety, efficacy, and side effects. Clinical trials play an important role in the drug development process, which provides information on the safety, efficacy, and any potential side effects of the new interventions. An important note is that clinical trial is completely voluntary, and it is on individual participating in the trial to understand the risks and benefits before they sign or participate in the trial. Clinical trials are conducted in different phases, including phases 1 to 4, which will be explained in detail in the next video.